Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Honorable Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif, Mia Nawaz Sharif, respected leaders of Pakistan political parties, Maulana Fazlur Rahman, and all my friends, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all to the Awan-e-Sadr to thank you for your participation in this all-parties conference on the Palestine and Gaza. एक ये मुफा का ड्राफ्ट है, एक मेरे दिल की आवाज़ है, दोनों साथ हैं, इसलिए कि हम काफ़ी दोस्त यहाँ हमारी उम्र से थोड़े कम हैं, हमने अपनी उम्र में वो दिन देखे हैं जब भुट्टो साहब के दौर में पीएलओ के यहाँ दफ्तर होते थे, पीएलओ यासर अरफात साहब आते जाते रहते थे और मैं बीबी के साथ खुद यासर अरफात के साथ 3-4 दफ़ा मिला हूँ। तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह पाकिस्तान की बड़ी उनके साथ कोऑपरेशन रही है, अब कुछ कम पहले कुछ ज़्यादा। It has been 1 year since the start of the brutal Israel aggression on Gaza and Palestine, which has resulted in the death of more than 41,800 Palestinians, whereas around 100,000 Palestinians have been injured. Besides massively destroying health and education infrastructure, public property, Israel has now further expanded its brutal campaign targeting the innocent people of Lebanon, Syria, and Yemen. Through its action, Israel has not only endangered religion, peace, and security, but its action also threatened global peace. Pakistan is deeply concerned over the escalation of hostilities in the Middle East and strongly condemns the Israeli barbarism, aggression against Palestine and Lebanon, as well as the assassination of the top leaders of Hamas and Hezbollah. We stand in the solidarity with the people of Lebanon and Palestine, share the grief and prayers of the brave martyrs. It is regrettable that the international community has failed to stop Israel from committing its ongoing genocide in Palestine, especially in Gaza. The prevailing culture of immunity and disregard for international law must be addressed urgently. The people of Palestine and Lebanon and wider region deserve to live free from fear and violence. It is crucial for international community to take swift action to de-escalate the situation. We call upon international community to take immediate steps to halt Israel brutalities, prevent further loss of life, prevent conflict from spilling over. Pakistan reiterates its call for UN Security Council to uphold peace, security in the region, safeguard Lebanon's sovereignty, put an end to ongoing humanitarian crisis in Gaza. We will continue our support and raise our voice to all regional international fora to stop Israel human rights violation and aggression. We believe that peace in the Middle East cannot be achieved without resolving the Palestinian issue in accordance with the UN Security Council resolution. Pakistan would continue to support the rights of the Palestinian people and would constantly advocate two-state solution as the key to enduring peace in the Middle East. we urge the United Nations Security Council to restrain Israel from adventurism in the region and violation of international law, and to restore peace in the Middle East. Today, Pakistan reiterates its policies on Palestine, which include a total withdrawal of Israel from occupied Arab territories, including Jerusalem, restore inalienable rights of the Palestinian people to exercise self-determination and sovereignty in an independent, viable state of Palestine on the basis of pre-1967 borders, with Al-Quddus al-Sharif as capital, and a just resolution to the plight of Palestinian refugees in accordance with General Assembly Resolution 19111 of 11 December 1948. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.